Medium roast. Our original blend coffee is expertly roasted, delivering a perfectly balanced flavor with a smooth finish. Our signature blend has not changed in over 50 years and only 3 lucky people know the recipe. Compatible with Keurig, our original blend coffee capsules are made for use with Keurig single-serve coffee brewers. Top quality beans. We only use 100% Arabica beans from the most renowned regions of Central and South America that are carefully selected by our experts to consistently deliver the best blend possible. Doing our part, we care about the earth and our community as much as we care about the quality of our coffee. We encourage you to empty the grounds of your used pods and recycle them if it is available in your area. Cup of Canada. Whether you like a dark roast, a classic cup of tea, or the rich flavor of French vanilla, we have a wide variety of coffee, tea, and specialty beverages that feature our signature flavors, ready for you to enjoy any time of day. Specialty, kosher certified. Top reviews from the United States. Best price and even beat Costco. Hubby's fave Keurig coffee and the price was perfect, so he grabbed it while he could. A cop without his Tim's coffee is almost cruel during this pandemic, and it's my trade-off so he won't go through drive thrust belt. Make it at home and save a fortune. I'm not making donuts. I have to draw the line. He says, I don't drink coffee, that it's better than any Keurig coffee, and I'm not arguing with him until his second cup, at least. He's very happy with it.